Hi, I am D. Santosh Kumar from Raj Lakshmi Institute of Technology. I am doing my BE second year in EC department. I made a mini project on wireless power transmission system using cell phone charger. I'm going to explain my project. This is a step down transformer where the external power supply is fed as an input. Here it is a step down transformer of 12 volt and 1 ampere. The where the voltage get step down, and here the output is only about 12 volts approximately. Here we have connected it to the 7812 voltage regulator, where the absolute 12 volt will be get as an output. Then this is an coupled capacitor, where the filtering process will take place, and pure of AC signal will send into the I14007 rectifier, which acts as a bridge rectifier. Four diodes acts as a bridge rectifier. Here it forms a full wave rectifier where the pure DC current is produced. As we all know that phone requires only DC current, it converts AC into DC current. It's fed into the pulse generator. Pulse generator is used to remove the noise from the volts. So yeah, 12. This is an Tesla coil, where it is an separate. One Tesla coil, where here the 12 volt 1 ampere is fed as input, where the hertz frequency may be about 50 hertz. Here the use the secondary side of the coil. We connected it to the frequency booster, where we all know that the frequency is inversely proportional to voltage, as EMF induced when the EMF is induced in the secondary side, voltage may be reduced, but frequency will be increased. So as we know all this, the current may be sent to the phone charger. Now we can see the process. I'm taking the secondary side to near to the primary side of the coil. As we go near to the coil, the phone get charged. Phone get charged. Yeah, it's working. That's all. Thank you.